Is OpenSC Project reporting the OpenSC PKCS11 Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To start our guide for OpenSC PKCS11 Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the OpenSC PKCS11 Library, the PKCS G11 module for the OpenSC Smart Card Library. It allows applications, like browsers or VPNs, to use hardware tokens and smart cards for authentication. If missing, users will be unable to log into secure government or corporate portals, citing a smart card module could not be initialized. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The OpenSC PKCS11 Library DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the OpenSC Project environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the OpenSC PKCS11 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for OpenSC PKCS11 Library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes OpenSC PKCS11 library documentation. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing OpenSC PKCS11 library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.